And they're up. RGA draws for your lead by Darrell Durango. Gondor moving a party outside, then followed by entry number 6, and that's Mike's Dancer. Stellar Race racing in fifth. Charlie's World comes next. Ninjutsu and King Aljun is running at the tail of the field, heading towards the last 600. Gondor, Mike's Dancer throwing a challenge on the outside and out, catching the lead. Mike's Dancer takes the lead over Gondor in second. Racing now in third is RGA by Darrell Durango. Charlie's World is Stellar Race. As the action turns for home, Mike's Dancer this time by about 2 lengths. Gondor running in between runners, then moving a party outside to take second. RGA with Mike's Dancer. RGA, Gondor is by Darrell with 75 to go. Mike's Dancer by about 3 lengths, and finally Mike's Dancer, RGA, Gondor, Charlie's World, and Durango for your Pentafecta.
634.